In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message. Microsoft Word Starter can't be opened. Try again, or repair the product in Control Panel. This error can appear when Microsoft Word Starter is having problems with its Office installation, or when some of its program files have become damaged. Fortunately, you can try repairing the Office installation through Control Panel. First, close Microsoft Word and any other Microsoft Office programs that are currently open. Now, click the Start button and open the Control Panel. If you're using a newer version of Windows and don't immediately see Control Panel, you can type Control Panel into the Windows search box and select it from the results. Once Control Panel is open, look for the Programs section. Click Uninstall a program under Programs. This will open the Programs and Features window, where you can see the programs currently installed on your computer. Look through the list and find your Microsoft Office installation. Depending on the version you have, it may appear as Microsoft Office Starter, Microsoft Office, or another Office-related name. Once you find it, select the Office entry from the list. At the top of the window, click the Change button. You may also be able to right-click the Office entry and choose Change. A Microsoft Office setup window should now appear. Look for an option that allows you to repair the installation. Select the Repair option and follow the instructions shown on the screen. The repair process may take a few minutes. During this process, Windows will check the Office installation and attempt to fix problems with the program files. When the repair is finished, restart your computer. Restarting is important because it allows Windows and Office to reload the repaired components properly. After your computer starts again, open Microsoft Word Starter and check if the error message has been resolved. If Word still cannot be opened, you can return to Control Panel and check the Office installation again. If there is another repair option available, you can try that as well. In some cases, the Office installation itself may need to be reinstalled if the repair does not resolve the problem. Keep in mind that Microsoft Office Starter is an older Office product, so the available repair options may look different depending on your Windows and Office version. And that's how you can troubleshoot the Microsoft Word Starter can't be opened error using the repair option in Control Panel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,